So I've been in the miniature hobby for like 10 years now, painting miniatures, playing tabletop games, and spending way much time thinking about paint schemes. But somehow I never tried starting a YouTube channel. So let's fix that. So hello everyone, and welcome to FAE Minis. My name is Franz-Alexander, and I'm almost 36 years old. And I'm from Norway. I've been part of this fantastic miniature hobby for like 10 years now, and I paint miniatures, play tabletop games, and enjoy pretty much everything this hobby has to offer. I'm also a co-owner of Manaheim, a local gaming store here in Kongsberg. So that's great. I get the time to spend around this hobby, meeting great people, trying new products, playing games, and painting lots of minis. But I will be honest with you, I'm not the best painter out there, but I'm certainly not the worst either. So this channel is really about the journey, improving, learning new techniques, trying new tools, and growing in the hobby together. And just to be clear, this channel is not sponsored. So if I review something, it's my honest opinion about the stuff I'm reviewing. And on this channel you get to expect miniature painting, hobby talk, product reviews, tips and tricks, and honest discussions about things in the hobby world. And about that, next week I'm starting out with my first proper review. That I will talk my honest opinion about the Army Painter speed paints markers. So if you're curious about that, make sure to stay tuned. And if you enjoy miniature painting and tabletop gaming, consider subscribing and joining the journey together. So paint bold, roll dice, and keep the hobby alive.